rupture and repair between God and us, parent and child, husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. You hearing me when I have a sincere, valid concern, you acknowledging my concern, you addressing it, that's repair. That's what it takes. That's all it is. I know your concern is the ones you keep from me that I don't know. I'd like to know, tell it to me. What am I doing wrong that I'm not aware of? I know the ones. I know I talk too much. I know I speak the truth you don't want to hear. I know I make dirty jokes. I ask women to sit on me. How's that? Now in a house full of these women, I know that's different. And women who would want that, who consenting to it, they also want the same. And then it ain't wrong. It's maybe socially unacceptable for some people, maybe taboo for others. Church may consider it a sin. It's what I want. And the people involved, they want it also. We're all gonna be happy together. Then it's okay. That's all it is. That's all it is. You look back at my videos when I first started. That's what I've always wanted. And that was why Gigi felt it a violation that I wanted that. She would say, what if I brought other men? You want to bring other women? What if I, well, no, I didn't want that. And then so that was Gigi was, other than that, okay. She was cleaning this place up. She was taking care of me. Gigi, I'm sorry. I know the preciousness of what I lost when I lost it. Kind of like Adam and Eve. Everyone was saying it's honeymoon season. Someone at the men's prayer group, I was telling them it's so harmonious, it's so good. He said, give it some time. He was joking, he was being facetious. I want that back, what I had. I can't. We can return to the Garden of Eden. We can have harmony. I choose that. I already have it in my heart. Then it's becoming manifest. We all can have it. We all choose to have what we want. The whole world can live in peace. Heaven on earth. Everyone loved, everyone fulfilled, everyone happy, all of us healthy, all of us living together in peace. We all want it, we all have it.